Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. Now we are in Badapani. We are going to see the Shillong bypass. This is a viewpoint. From here you can see the Badapani, the reservoir on the dam. It's a beautiful place. It's in Meghalaya's Shillong. Can you see the reservoir? It's a very nice place, so scenic, and the beauty is also very good. These are my co-riders, Ripan Star Kongji and Raju Tebarma, and my rider is Rindu Sarkar. The view is very nice. This location is in between Shillong and Badapani. This is the actual gut section of this Meghalaya plateau, and the road is zigzag and single line. You have to be very careful while driving through these roads. During monsoon time it will be more slippery. We started our journey from Shillong around 7:30 in the morning. The traffic is not that much, especially in this area you will get a huge traffic, but today, since it is in the morning, so the traffic is very less. Rindu Sarkar, we are using his Suzuki Access and Ripan Star's Yamaha. These are the two vehicles, two bikes, we could say two scooters, and these are the yellow color taxis of Meghalaya, which used to run inside the Meghalaya villages, and some of the construction is also going on, the drainage construction, and this area is having more forest area. This is a forest area of Meghalaya. Now we are going downwards to the dam area. From the top we have seen the reservoir. See, that area is fully covered with pine forest and other forest also. Since we are going to see the Shillong bypass, newly constructed, and construction is also going on now. It's not finished so far. It is near to Nongmin Song, a place, a village in that locality. They have constructed a bypass because the villages were not ready to give land for construction of the road, widening of the road, so they took another way. So we are going to see that. Since Shillong is a very important tourist place, many people from Guwahati and other states come and visit this place. That is why the reason you can see so many taxis are coming towards Shillong side. See, the road is going downwards because Shillong is located on the top of the Meghalaya plateau. Now we are entering into the dam. This is the another bridge near to the dam. So Raju was telling something, but since it is he was talking about the hilly area. It's very nice to see. Now we are in National Highway number 6 or Asian Highway number 1, which connects Guwahati with Agartala, and even you can go to Silchar, and you can go to the Bangladesh border, Dauki. So now this is 4-lane up to Guwahati. It is 4-lane. The road is very nice to drive, especially for the riders. It is good. People may think about this, that Meghalaya is having this much of good infrastructure, is it possible to construct this much beautiful highway in a hilly terrain or in a plateauic terrain? But it is in Meghalaya. You can see the roads are very nice. You could come and enjoy, especially for the bike riders. It is very nice for a great ride. You can see many riders. Now Raju and Ripan's helmet is very unique, and Raju's cooling glass or goggles is also very unique in Northeastern Hill University. It is very interesting. This road is sometimes is full of these lorries, big trucks, because of the huge deposits of coal in Meghalaya, especially in the Kilarihat area and in the Jaintia Hills side. These curves are very dangerous, so while driving through this road a bit, you can see the National Highway milestone and the name boards, the greenery of Meghalaya. Now we are riding towards Nongmin Song side, and this is an interesting thing is that this road is connecting with Guwahati and other northeastern states like Nagaland, then Assam, then Mizoram, then Tripura, etc. You can see the house constructions, the architect's style of Meghalaya. The sky is very nice. This is a Muslim church or mosque. The sky is very nice. You can see the place is beautiful, so beautiful. So while coming from Guwahati to Shillong, you can experience this road. So National Highway 6 have two bypasses. One is in Nongmin Song and one is in Shillong area. After crossing Umiam, you have to take a right turn. Then you can go to the city, Shillong city. That is the major road, but now because of the huge traffic congestion in Shillong city, they constructed a bypass over there. So from there, if you go straight, you will reach Silchar, then other parts of Meghalaya and even Agartala. My friend Jayanta used to ride through this road by solo trips. You can see his channel in YouTube. Now we are in Umsning bypass road, which connects Guwahati with Shillong. You can see that this is National Highway number 6 or Asian Highway number 1. This road has been constructed because of the Umsning town. The road was very narrow, so they constructed this bypass, and the farmers were not ready to give land for the construction or the widening of the road. The main road. So they could the National Highway Authority took this area for the construction. This road is also very nice since it is under construction. Now Raju and Ripan is so happy. The road is very nice, and the view from this road is also very interesting. Some of the people are standing there. You can see the settlement areas also. Can you see the road? The zigzag road. So nice to see this road. Now the road is open for all the passengers and tourists. The road is very nice. The weather is also not that much good because there's a chance of rainfall. Since it is Meghalaya, prediction of rainfall is very difficult here. But the road is empty. Now we are riding towards Shillong. While going time we took the narrow road, but going back through the national highway is very interesting. You can see the construction work is still going on. There is some problem. There is a construction of a bridge, but road is ending here. Is it ending here? Oh, there is no way for going there. What we will do now? We will go back. Okay, for two-wheelers we can go, I think. These are some of the photographs we took in the bypass road. You can see the condition of the road now because of this construction of a bridge is needed here. That is why the reason now they just left it. It also need a huge amount of money. I think for that they are waiting. You can see the construction of a building there. It's a style, Khasi style of building. Khasi is the major tribe here, and Garo is also another tribe, and Jaintia is a part of, it's a kind of sub tribe of Khasi. You can see the Maruti vehicle here. The road condition is not that much good here since construction is going on. Now we are proceeding our ride towards Shillong side, and we could see this. I think after some time the road will get again good, because only this part is a bit horrible because of the construction is going on there. Now Ripon Star is pillion and Raju is riding the scooter. For me, my rider is Rindu Sarkar. We are all PhD scholars here in Northeastern Hilly University, Shillong. Raju Debarma is from Tripura, and Ripon Star Kongji is a native of Meghalaya. He is from Shillong itself, and Rindu Sarkar is from Malda town, that is in West Bengal, and myself is from Kerala. You can see the way they constructed the road in between these two, mountainous wall. So they cut this small plateauic area. There again some of the photographs we took when we visited this place. These are the riders, and you can see this also. In between we saw a place like this, and we went and visit this also. You can see a river flowing and a road which connects. This is the bypass road. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.